Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign in to the Microsoft account that owns Office, because activation links the license to that account. Once signed in, open any Office app and go to Account to begin activation. This triggers the activation flow. If you have a 25-character product key, keep it handy and enter it when prompted. Make sure your device is updated and online so the verification completes without delay. This prevents common authentication failures early in the process. You continue by opening an Office app and navigating to Account to trigger activation. This is the central step. When prompted, choose to sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your purchase or enter the 25-character product key exactly as shown. Once entered, follow on-screen prompts and consent to permissions. The app will contact Microsoft servers to validate the license. After the server confirms, Office will switch from reduced functionality to fully enabled. If you have multiple devices, repeat sign-in to you finish by checking account to confirm it shows product activated. That certifies success. If you don't see activation, sign out of Office, restart the app, and sign back in. This forces recheck of your digital license. Once done, run the activation troubleshooter on Windows or use Microsoft support and provide purchase details if the product key is rejected. Make sure to note which Microsoft account was used. Mismatched accounts are the most common cause of activation failures, so verify account email before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.